The all-new Adobe Firefly is here, and it is the most powerful AI-driven image generation and editing tool. In this video, I will dive into the features of Adobe Firefly and discuss why I believe it could potentially end all competitors. Want to explore its features, benefits, limitations, and impact on the creative industry? Then keep on watching this video, as you clearly don't want to miss out on this. Just over a month ago, Adobe announced Firefly's entry into the generative AI game. Firefly is a potent AI-driven tool that promises to improve how we produce and edit photos. It was created to transform the creative process for artists and designers. Adobe aspires to reinvent the creative landscape and give users the tools they need to take their work to new levels with its cutting-edge approach and seamless integration into the Adobe ecosystem. To be clear, Firefly won't currently allow you to make customized films. The focus is instead on making it simpler for anyone to edit films. A color grade with just a few lines, add music and sound effects, and make title cards with animated fonts, pictures, and logos. But at the same time, it's important to keep in mind that Firefly also guarantees to automatically turn screenplays into storyboards and pre-visualizations, and it will suggest a B-roll to liven up videos. Awesome, isn't it? But wait, there's more. It's pretty obvious that Adobe wasn't going to be left out of the AI competition when it comes to image generation, even though Firefly and generative AI as a whole are still in their infancy. With its Sensei AI product, Adobe has been participating in the AI market for some time now, apart from image creation. But Sensei AI computes in the background rather than interactively like generative AI, which makes it less newsworthy than many other AI and machine learning implementations. Still, Adobe is not new to this and has already used AI to drive insights and decisions within its marketing platforms. Just a few weeks after launching its ChatGPT integration, Microsoft this week announced Bing Image Creator. The order of the photographs following the text makes sense. The trend is reasonable because large language models that power generative AI chatbots don't run into the same ethical complexities and copyright difficulties with text as they do with images. Adobe would establish themselves as the leader in the fight for AI images. Adobe has, after all, come to represent digital photography. In an AI-obsessed culture, people frequently worry, and occasionally even reinforce that robots will eventually replace people, whether in specific occupations or even in a more general doomsday scenario. Adobe, meanwhile, stresses an AI strategy that is human-centered and encourages communication and collaboration between humans and machines. Customers want tailored experiences from brands, and brands have access to more and more customer data. Marketers segment, test, and iterate on those interactions. It goes without saying that this calls for a lot of material, which takes time to create. According to a recent Adobe research, 88% of organizations said that content demand has at least doubled over the previous year, and 2/3 of brands anticipate it to increase by 5 times over the following 2 years. In light of this fact, Adobe is looking to Firefly to assist creative professionals in operating more effectively inside their current workflows. They should be able to create content more quickly as a result of removing more boring, repetitive activities, freeing up the creatives to concentrate on higher value, more fulfilling projects. Firefly's beta version is only available on the web, is not for commercial use, and works with Chrome, Safari, and Bing. Tablets and smartphones are not now supported, but they will be in future. Firefly will initially be incorporated into Adobe Experience Manager, Express, Photoshop, and Illustrator before becoming generally available. All Adobe products will eventually include Firefly into users' content creation workflows. GA has not yet been given a firm release date. If you are liking this video so far, then make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Now back to the video. What if you don't want your images used to train AI models in the future? Adobe's blog post on the ethics of generative AI mentions do not train credentials that will prevent web crawlers from harvesting artists' images for use in datasets to train new AI models. It isn't clear whether the tags are currently applied to images by any Adobe services, and the post also mentions that they will need industry adoption to be effective. Artists who have licensed their images to Adobe stock cannot opt out of having them included in training datasets, although Adobe is continuing to explore the possibility. The firm is developing a compensation scheme to pay contributors to stock for including their work in AI training datasets, although it plans to announce details at the end of the beta. Regarding AI, this has long been a source of worry. The hottest issue at the moment is generative AI. As a result, it is not expected that industry titans like Adobe want to join, but it's encouraging to see that Adobe is taking precautions to stop its AI from inadvertently misappropriating the IP and works of other creators. A Do Not Train tag would let you take precautions to safeguard your photographs wherever they travel in the digital sphere, which is even better. And hopefully, other companies will buy into Adobe's initiative and realize this goal. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to watch more insightful videos, click on your screen now and we'll see you there.